If you want a cheap putting green at home, now you can have one with this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. So what we get here is these two pieces. They just come in a little plastic envelope, and this is just kind of a semi-rigid, slightly flexible plastic base here. It's in green, so it kind of simulates the green. And I want to say that this hole here is probably about regulation. I think it's pretty darn close. You can see the hollowed out back side of it, but the front edge here is very thin, kind of like the end of a swimming flipper. And so the ball should ride up that pretty nicely. You also get this little flag, which is kind of cute. I don't think it's absolutely necessary, but it goes up just like that. And it's more of this that's really important. And this is a little higher. It's maybe half an inch or so tall here. So if you do hit it in there, then the ball will kind of stop, so you don't have to worry about it rolling too far. So this allows you to put it on any carpet and really turn any carpet inside your house into a putting green. So let's try it out. So the cool thing about this is any little carpeted surface that you might have is suddenly a putting green. So even if you're stuck indoors, now you don't have to sweat it. You can just go ahead and putt. And obviously, I've only got like a 10-foot rug here. So I am just going to be smashing these into the cup without a problem because I am a putting god. But you really want to challenge yourself and get onto some terrain, maybe some uneven surfaces, maybe prop up some of the carpet with pillows or foam and things like that. You can really make this challenging, but it's a great way to just work on your stroke and make sure your putting technique is good. And you can see here, even though I'm running them into the cup, that little putting cup is stopping them quite well. So if you want to pick up this little putting cup, it is inexpensive, but it's a lot of fun. Keeps you playing, even if you don't want to go out in public and embarrass yourself, like I do. Hey, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.